If you're wondering whether debt collectors know what you've got in the bank, it depends if they've involved the court. If they have, they'll have more access to your finances. If you've refused to pay the debt collectors, received various correspondence and ignored it, your creditors might have applied for a CCJ. That's a county court judgment which legally forces you to pay. If you still don't pay, which isn't advisable because it could cost you a lot more, bailiffs may pay you a visit. At this point, they're entitled to seize your possessions to pay for the debt. Back to your bank account, when debt collectors turn to bailiffs, they normally apply for an order to obtain information. This is a trip to court to reveal your finances under oath, so that the debt collectors know what you've got and what you haven't got. You'd be asked to bring documents to prove your financial situation. Debt collectors also have another way to try and access your funds called a third-party debt order. A third-party debt order allows your creditor to take the money you owe directly from your bank account. They can also hijack your cash if you're getting a payout for something, maybe like inheritance or if you're made redundant. They can't take more than you owe, but it's definitely worth being aware of it. The court has the final say on whether to grant a third-party order. The order is taken out in 2 stages: an interim order without notice and a final order with notice. However, in some cases, it may be granted straight away depending on the circumstances. There's nothing to stop you withdrawing money from your bank or savings account if you think the creditor is going to apply for a third-party debt order. But you may not know about the order until after it's been made. If you've got a joint account and the other account holder doesn't owe any debt, then this could be a good reason to get the final third-party debt order stopped. There are some other good reasons to try and stop it, like if your account's overdrawn or the money in your account belongs to someone else, or if the balance would leave you with less than £1. The third-party debt order can only affect the money actually in your bank account on the date that your bank received a copy of the interim order. It doesn't freeze money at any time after the order. If your account is overdrawn on the day the third-party order is sent to your bank, your creditor won't get the money. If money's paid into your account after this date, it can't be used to pay off your debt. So it's pot luck depending on when the order's made and received. Nobody can look into your bank account apart from you, your bank, or the other half of a joint bank account holder. If you've found yourself in debt and you don't know what to do to tackle it, there are debt solutions that are available that could work for you. If you want more information, I've got a short form below the video. It's got a few multiple choice questions like how much debt do you owe and how many people do you owe. At the end of the form, it'll connect you to a company that I've partnered with to provide you with all the information you need. So click the link below the video, go and check it out and let me know how you get on.